India's youth. A powerhouse of potential, but a critical skills gap threatens to hold us back. Odisha faces this challenge head-on, with unemployment significantly higher than the national average. A skilled workforce fuels a thriving economy. Golden India technology is the solution. We are revolutionizing supply chain management, the backbone of each and every business, by merging cutting-edge tech with traditional methods. The logistics sector, especially FTL, a vast, yet shockingly unorganized market, is ripe for disruption. Our vision: technology-powered supply chain management. Our mission: nationwide organization, efficiency, and transparency. We are developing the professionals to skill up, empowering with modern technology and driving the future of supply chain management. 100 crore. That's our starting point. We turn it into 10,000, not with machines, but with capitalizing human resources. We invest in our educated job seekers' development, not just training, equipping them with the skills, technology, and foresight to anticipate market needs. For every rupee you invest, we deliver a 25x return. That's a 250% annual ROI. How? By maximizing the potential of our skilled human resources. We match talent with opportunity, driving productivity and growth. Our employees generate 25 times their salary in revenue, delivering exceptional value and a 250% annual ROI. That's just the beginning. Our multi-figurative approach. Industry-aligned curriculum, meeting the specific demands of modern logistics, supply chain management, warehousing, and emerging modern technologies. Holistic skill development, technical expertise plus essential soft skills, communication, problem solving, leadership. Real-world application, practical work experience with industry partnerships. Strategic geographic focus, training centers across Odisha, ensuring accessibility and inclusivity. International standard of education. We are providing world-class infrastructure and hiring industry-specific professionals as international faculties from developed countries like USA, China, Germany, Japan, Singapore, etc. Our program is strategically designed for optimal financial performance, cost-effective operations, efficient marketing, and a robust revenue model. With a target of 36,000 students across 30 locations, at a fee of 60,000 rupees per student, we project annual revenue of 2,160 million rupees. We seek a 100 crore rupees investment. Projected return, 200% total, with 30% annually, phased from year 2. This investment fuels job creation, generates strong returns, and drives positive social impact. We invite you to partner with us. Invest in our program, and you're not just supporting a high-growth opportunity. You're empowering a skilled workforce, driving sustainable economic growth for Odisha and India. Let's shape the future of the Indian workforce together.